Hi YouTube, my name is Sherry and I'm here today with another video. In today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my new Chanel bag that I did purchase in pretty much exchange for this bag right here. This bag has just come in the mail today. I've already gone ahead and cut this open because I don't want to deal with really unboxing, but it really is an unboxing of this item. So here's the Fashionphile box. I did get this from Fashionphile. I have the thank you card and the receipt. Let me get it out the box. Okay, so here's the item right here. And I'm going to just slide it out the paper. Or I just tear the paper off. Let me open the paper. Chanel. This item was listed in new condition. Okay, let's pull her out. She does have her box and the dust bag that comes with the item. It is supposed to have the authenticity card. Here's the bag that it comes with. This is a 2020 bag. I'm seeing if it came with anything else. Let me move the box. Okay, here we go. There she is. Look at that. I hate that the sun is so bright. You can see. And it's supposed to be in new condition. I do see a little stain on the back. I wish I can show you all this little stain. It's right here where my finger is pointing. It's black. Probably can't see that, but I'll hold it up so you can see these two in the color. This one is more of the color that I was wanting. I'm going to quickly inspect the bag. This bag was shown in new condition, but I feel like there is some color transfer on this bag on the back. Alright you guys, so this bag has gold hardware. I'm not really sure what this gold hardware is called. It probably is an aged gold hardware. It looks aged. It looks kind of tarnishing to me. I don't know if that's what it's meant to look like. So the gold is not consistent. It is like an aged, and so I know that this is like an aged calfskin. And yes, this bag has another blemish on it that I'm seeing here on the corner. There's some other dark mark right here. I'll try to put in pictures of the bag. This is an unboxing fail, you guys, honestly, if you ask me, because I wasn't expecting to see so many dark blemishes on the bag. The bag is the color that I wanted. It is the size that I wanted. This is very comparable to my rectangular mini, but I don't think this bag was listed in new condition, but I really don't think that this is a new bag, you guys. Okay, it is what it is. Nonetheless, I wanted to show you my new unboxing, or new to me, but not really new unboxing of this Chanel reissue. I'm going to try to get better pictures of this so that you all can see it in some better lighting. There we are. You can see the pink tone of what I much would prefer. Alright you guys, so I am back with my 255 reissue, and of course the other one that I still have. I had to go and wipe the bag off and clean it to see if those stains on the back would come off, and they did. It did come off. So the black stain I was pointing out up here and somewhere right here, I got like a felt cloth and I just wiped it off and it came right on off. So
okay, all right,
that's a good thing. So the bag still kind of looks like it was worn. It is from 2019, so I am correcting when I stated before it's a 2020 bag. This is actually a 2019 bag. It is listed in new condition, but I do think it was worn. But overall, I have to say, even with what I'm looking at, I am happy with this bag. It is the color that I wanted. The hardware, it looks like this is typical hardware for this bag. It first came out with the champagne gold hardware, and then they came out with this. First it came out with the shiny gold hardware, and then they came out with the champagne gold. So this is the champagne gold, and it is aged to match the aged look of the reissue bag. Okay, so I wanted to chime back in and clear that up with this bag. So again, here's these two side by side, and here's my Coach bag. You can see it is a variation in color. It is not the exact same color as my Coach bag, and I'll try to hold all three of these up at the same time so you can see the difference in colors. Alright, so that completes my unboxing of this cutie and the mini drama that came along with it. I stand corrected. It is not a fail, so we will give this one a thumbs up for this bag. This bag is a go after some inspection and some viewing of the photos that I saw of this bag and what I actually have in front of me. Alright you guys, so thumbs up this unboxing. Let me know what you all think of this new bag. Let me know if you think I probably should have kept this bag, or which one of these bags would you keep if you had a choice to keep either of these bags. One of the things I do like about this bag versus this one is that it has the CC logo, which I love. I do wish that this one had the CC logo. I don't have many Chanel bags, so I would like for it to have the CC logo, but I'm okay with it not. So but that is one of the things that I think that I like over this bag versus this bag. So the quilting is not as poofy is what I'm noticing, and I don't know if it's because this is how this bag is or if this one is a newer bag. This is a 2020 bag and this is a 2019 bag, but I think all the reissues are with this flat type of material. So I will point out they do ship this bag smushed, so the top is a bit pointed on the top, and the bag bottom, while it is more structured on this one because it is a mini, it's not as structured as my rectangular one or this one. But don't want to make this video too long. Let me know which bag you prefer, which pink color is your optional choice of color. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for returning to view my videos. Please subscribe if you are not, and I will see you in the next video. Alrighty, bye.